In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use categories in Google Trends fast and easy. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google Trends into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll see a list of links appear in your search results. Look for the first link that usually leads directly to Google Trends, and click on it to visit their homepage. Once you're on the Google Trends site, you'll want to head to the Explore section. You can find this by looking for an option or tab labeled Explore, which will allow you to start analyzing different trends right away. Next, we're ready to dive into using the tool effectively. Begin by entering your keyword into the search bar provided. This can be any term related to your topic, product, or niche. Consider examples like smartphones, yoga classes, online courses, or coffee machines, all depending on what you're interested in researching. After you've inputted your keyword, press Enter, and Google Trends will load a graph illustrating the search interest over time for your chosen term. But there's more you can do to refine your search. Consider setting location and language filters. This adjustment is crucial if you're targeting a specific audience in a particular region. Make sure to select the appropriate country or region and check that the language matches your target audience's preferences. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the distinction between searching by term and topic, a feature that can refine your results significantly. With the foundation set, now choose a suitable time range to explore. You can select from options like the past 12 months for more recent data, or the past 5 years, if you're interested in identifying longer-term patterns and trends. Once you have your data, it's time to analyze the trend graph in detail. Take a good look at how your keyword performs within the selected category. Identifying any seasonal trends, noticeable spikes in interest, or periods of decline. This will provide insights into how people are engaging with your topic over time. Moreover, scrolling down will open up a wealth of additional insights. You'll encounter sections for related topics and related queries. These lists will help you discover other popular searches related to your category, which can be tremendously useful for content creation, SEO strategies, or marketing initiatives. Additionally, if you want to expand your research, you can compare multiple keywords simultaneously. Click on Plus Compare to add new terms, enabling you to see which keywords are gaining the most traction in your niche. Finally, scroll through all the information gathered, allowing you to get a comprehensive overview of your keyword's performance and related interests. This is a straightforward yet powerful way to utilize Google Trends in your research efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in mastering Google Trends' categories.